Hey, Kenny, say hi to the camera.
Hi, camera.
Okay, now what we got here is Kenny at the top of the stairs. We got some vintage 1980s racetrack combined with Uncle Todd's. Hold on a second. Kenny wants his cars. We're just going to snug this up a little bit. Okay. We go through a tunnel, and then over a loop, and then through a hairpin U-turn, and it's going to be awesome. Kenny, what are you doing? Are you running the racetrack cars up here? Okay, show everybody how to do it. Whoa, nice, perfect. Awesome. Awesome. Two in a row. Woo! Oh, it fell off. What appears to be happening is the cars are going at such high, awesome speeds that they're actually pulling the track apart when it goes through the loop. One more. Do it. Say, awesome!